What's up everybody? Today we're looking at the NEEWER 2-pack dimmable bicolor 480 LED video light kit. These lights are perfect for podcasting, shows, recording video interviews, photography. They offer adjustable brightness, they have flexible positioning, they come with tripods, and they have excellent color temperature control. I want to share my experience with them and break down some of the key features to help you decide if they're the right fit for your setup. Let's dive in. NL660s. They come with their own carrying cases. We picked up a new gig. It's a double interview, so we're gonna go and set these lights up with an additional 2 lights in the back. So I'm just gonna show you the bits and pieces of this. This is how the tripod for the light folds up. It stands up, it goes up all the way to 75 inches. So let's go and open this up. They do have a diffuser, which is definitely something you want to get. And you also want to have the ability to have these on batteries or by plugging them directly into the wall. So we're gonna be having these plugged in to the wall. Right away on the back, you can see that you got your dimmer. This is your yellow to no yellow light, and you're on and off. So this is your adapter, and then this is your battery. By the way, this is only going to give you an hour per battery, like 45 minutes ish on full blast. So I would definitely get either 2 batteries if you have a short interview, or just carry yourself like a jump starter or a portable power station, so you can have at least 3 hours of recording. We're going to be recording basically for 8 hours. Also, you will be able to control the light with these as well, right? So you can vary which way it goes in, and then the diffuser slides out off on the side. All right, so to mount these, let's place this over top of here, and let's tighten this up. There we go. Now these sides control the swivel of the light itself, so don't loosen up too much. You really just have to loosen up the first one just a tad, and then you can see swivel it up and down. On the side here, this is your 1/4 inch thread, so you can create an extension for a camera, maybe an additional light. If you really wanted to go straight higher, create like a boom with a mic, you could do that as well. The diffuser, it's locked in place with this, so press this down on both sides like so, and then you just swipe it out. And then if you want to put this back in, you just put this over like that, and then to make sure it doesn't fall out, you lift that up. So let's test these out. All right, let's point these downwards on our subject. So now this is in the way, unfortunately. You see that? So if I want to bring these down, then this is actually blocking me from pointing it lower. Anyways, so this is maximum brightness. Change the color temperature. Pretty decent. So this is on, off, on one. Yeah, so this is the key light that's directly on the 45-degree. It's 7 feet up towards me, so it's kind of shining down. So if I'm sitting this low, you probably want to bring it down just a little lower. You can see that the shadow that's being cast right over here. So to get rid of that shadow, we have a key light up here. You see that? See how that eliminates it and gives me that extra depth here. Now if I wanted to lower the dimness, I'm sure show you what that looks like. All right, so that shadow is quite big here. So let's increase the brightness. And I probably want to put a little powder here because you can see that it's shining off. There we go. Now let's go and put the second light, which is over here. So we have one here, one there, and now we're going to put the third light, which is right over there. All right, so there you go. So now this is 100% brightness on all 3 lights. And then there's one more here. See that little hint of light that's right here? Right, you can make that into a different color. We don't have a different RGB light. As a full-time videographer, I use these lights for podcast shows, client interviews, and they've been incredibly helpful, not only in increasing my production value, but increasing the costs that I charge my clients. So I definitely recommend them to anybody who's looking for a reliable lighting solution on a budget. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.